Hello, my YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram friends. This is part 4 of my Quintracycle build. It's nearing completion, but as I explained in my previous video, I was afraid how these two front wheels might either bow out or bow in on both sides. And to help it so it doesn't do that, I put this little swivel bar in the fork mount bolts to go with the one up on top here. And then when you turn the wheel, they all move together. I have started the roof. I'm just using some plastic pipe for that. I think it's a little too high. I think I'm gonna cut it down here, maybe about a foot, so it's not so tall. And then there'll be some other pipe that comes this way and will tie into these handlebars that I put back on. I'll have them tie in maybe here or there. I don't know for sure yet, but these are non-functioning handlebars. They're just to hold that front pole for the cage on. And I'm going to take that seat off and put my seat from my other bike that has a little backrest on it. And there's the steering. Still might have to adjust that a little bit and put some of the brakes back on. I don't know if I'll put all of them, but perhaps I will. So other than that, the progress continues. I went and bought a whole bunch more hardware for it yesterday, and so I'll probably be doing a couple more updates. Hopefully I'll be able to test ride it sometime. Might be raining out today, so probably won't be today unless it's not raining. So that's gonna do it. If you like my video, be sure to like and subscribe. And of course, remember to ring that bell. It's a different sounding bell. It's not a cowbell, but that's it, folks.